Damn, it's crazy. He live, gang. He fucking live. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even want to trade today, my guy. But yeah, let's get this fucking show on the road. I just gotta do my alerts. No, I need the music low key. Wait one sec. Now I'm gonna try to talk. How loud is this? Oh, it's not bad. Okay, perfect. It's not bad. CPR! No, I smashed. I fucking smashed, gang. Oh my god. I just need to alert. Live for first New York session. Probably just Nasdaq. Yeah, I have it set up this way so that you can see my levels, and then I'll mark off like the fair value gaps and shit. Yeah, I mean, what was the news like on top of that? Let me see. Oh my goodness. Yo, what's good? What's good? It's Humble Lou. How you doing, bro? How's your morning been? Bro, I'm tired as fuck. Damn, ultra low latency is crazy. That response was like instantaneous. I like it. I like it. Oh, it's gonna be hard to trade up here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, we moved a lot, but if we come back, start breaking back down, oh man. Oh man. Damn, my hair looks fucked up. Damn it. But yeah, we can go over things. Give me 1 second. I'm just catching back up. Yeah, no, I'm reading a lot on the top step bullshit that's going on right now. It's just I just that's the last thing I want is to me to enter a trade today, and then what do you know? Top step X down once again. But okay, let's break this shit down. We go down to the 4 hour. 4 hour right now looks bullish as anything. We're about to clear this or rather inverse this fair value gap that we made yesterday, pushing back up off of some very strong news release. Of course, we're gonna have to keep an eye out on this and make sure that when this candle closes at 10 a.m., 11 a.m., that or we just have to see where it closes beneath there. But otherwise, I can expect, you know, if we close above, maybe a little bottom wick, continue higher, especially since our move down yesterday was so big, so fast. We could just move right back up, especially off of key support levels right here. I know it's kind of hard to read on my chart because it's kind of small, but that's just how it is. I'm saying go down, break it down even further to the hourly chart. You can see we consolidated here pretty much for most of the day yesterday and overnight. We only started pumping up during London session. Just happens to be right at a pivot point. Also happens to be where this wick was back in November, kind of just a few points shy. And I think if I zoom out even more at this, around this level at 25,960, you can see we've had reactions here in the past, chopping here in the past. So I would expect pretty much the same thing going forward. And you know, it's just like those things, when the market falls fast, go back up just as fast. As always, we're gonna watch price action today. We're not just, this is how I plan to stay disciplined, to stream it. Because nothing's more embarrassing than crashing out live, right? And I crash out a lot, but surely I don't crash out live, right, guys? Let me switch this to MNQ. Nah, Top Step goes crazy with their keep jabbing. Oh god. Nah, Apex, I smashed it today, gang. Apex went crazy. Yeah, I can pull it up. In a second. It's just kind of hard for me right now because my setup doesn't really allow for. I can't open any more tabs. Is what I'm trying to say. Oh, that's what happens if I open this one. Oh, it does. Dang it. But oh, that's not what I want. call didn't reset my balance even though it sent a support video of my top step X opening and closing hundreds of trades by itself one day from payout on 5. Oh, that's fucking tough. That is tough, dude. Nah, like, I think what's happening with Project X is actually crazy because the fact that they want to become a live broker and they're just fucking sitting around and letting their platform crash to shit. It's like, come on, guys. That's crazy. That's just crazy. Oh yeah, I'm just opening Bookmap real quick. Or rather, heat map. Ugh. Damn, it sucks at this low. But yeah, CEO of TopStep says, we continue to work behind the scenes. I'll share more tomorrow. Again, I do hear all the frustration as a trader. Confidence in yourself and your strategy starts with your platform. I get it. I've been there. Stay patient. And with me and the team, we will make it right. I wonder what discount they're going to drop tomorrow. Ah. That's actually crazy, dude. People are losing confidence in Top Step. That's just actually insane. It's actually, no, it's crazy. Wait, did this change? Hello? Wait, did the music go off? I think it did. Why did it do that? That's crazy. No, I definitely be looking like a fucking troll out here, dog. CPI didn't do anything but one tiny pump. A little debatable. And I was wondering why it wasn't like moving. So I was like, what? Your microphone is unmuted but has no signal. Oh no, that's right. That's valid. That's valid, gang. 6 minutes to market open. Still a whole lot of nothing. I miss the hard part. We moved so much. What is this, like over 200? From the new skin, 160 points. Like, if we continue moving higher here, what's your target? Like, previous day highs? And then, like, I guess you get the overnight highs too from yesterday, but that takes us back up to, like, just under 25.5. Will be interesting, especially because you can see we kind of double bottomed here in Asia, and then we just zoomed up. Really? This was at 7 o'clock? Why don't I remember this? Regardless, irrelevant, but now we're here. Thanks, CPI. Well, no, that's the reason why I'm kind of scared to trade. It's like, I heard, like, if you have a trade outside of the outage window, it's just cooked, and it's like, what if you enter your trade beforehand, and then you can't get out in the middle of it? Like, that's... You know? Maybe it's a little too much for the morning. EDM in the morning is a little crazy, eh? Yeah, I can change it. SoFi? No, it's not SoFi. Lo-fi. EDM, no copy. Yeah, no, I get it. I get it. I get it. Sometimes shit just be hella loud and a little bumpy. How long do we stay up today? Vote on Kalshi is crazy. Oh. Yeah, this is really calm. Yes, sir. Yeah, that kind of sucks if you think about it that way. Nah, there's nothing like a good CPI, low key. But usually when you see CPI like this, it doesn't continue going up. It goes up and then it comes right back down. So yeah, this one was a little shocking, a little shocker. But hey, we're for it. You know, we're for it. Now, usually I go a little crazy at New York Open. I'm not even gonna lie. I start doing some outrageous shit, and then that's usually when I blow accounts is when I go crazy at the New York Open. Like I just be like shorting at the first red candle type shit, and yeah, not very good, not very good. But we have a minute till the open. Let's see how New Yorkers react. No, I don't think there are, but I mean, I could always be wrong. A big, or not a big, but we have a decent order sitting down at 25,200, which is down here. This is low key, yeah. I don't like it for that reason. But sometimes like you don't really have a choice. It's kind of just like you do what you gotta do. And like blowing accounts is part of the process, which is why I've kind of come to peace whenever I blow. Unless I have like a really bad day, then I kind of like shut off for a minute. But usually I try to not let it get to me, because if we don't blow any accounts in the process, like it's crazy. Here we go. Interesting, interesting. Straight move up. Wonderful. A little bottom wick, and then a little upward price. Pretty much bounced. Oh my god, look at that, right off of that same level. Yeah, if we just run up, it's gonna be GG's, because I don't know how to trade days where we just run up. I'm not even gonna lie. You would think if I could just click the button when the market's going down, I should have that same, you know, thought process going into it, right? Nope, absolutely not. Absolutely not. It's just crazy. New York open for the safe now. I can go work in peace and just act like it's a restart. What the? Oh. No, I don't set profit targets. That's kind of dumb. It's looking like we might just run up today. And if we do, that sucks. I'm the worst trader on bullish days, so let's see though. I don't really get that, but we do be up, and all of our like bigger liquidity is, you know, not that far. A rejection here seems kind of early though. I wouldn't. I think this is just a little pullback. SoFi up 5% on the day. No, this would be a crazy inversion to take. What's my, what would 36? Yeah, I think I missed it. It's just, I think this is a good inversion, but I don't like that we didn't really sweep anything. You know, like I still think this could go higher. But dang it, maybe I do, but I don't like it. We haven't swept any major liquidity, we've just been running up the whole time. It might have been nicer if we had hit, you know, these three up here from yesterday's little chop fiesta, but we didn't, so. Because this one is a short. Like, say I had taken that right there, my stops are at 36, and I'm aiming for these lows. I mean, I guess I might have just missed it, but I don't know. I'm a little skeptical here. I'd feel a lot better about it if we had just taken these up here prior, especially with this level right here that's been holding. Especially if we just tap it and bounce back up, my break even would be right, like, I guess break even would have been right here, so 56 and 80, if 80 wasn't, it would have been 24 points. But I mean, it looks like it's gonna hit, and maybe it does, but I'm not taking it. Yeah, this would be break even right here. Damn, that's tough. Unless we go in and we break that shit right now. Yeah, I mean almost my model, almost my model. I didn't look, I didn't see ES, no. Oh. see what you mean. But this is different though. How much did this run for? 38? Yeah, no, that's a full TP and a half. We definitely do be taking those. Yeah, it's okay. I'll just wait. Oh. No, a data low move would be insane. A data low move would be insane. But there's no way. Yeah, I'm not in this. I'm not in this. You can, I mean, you can see it's not on my chart, but I think this hits. This was the original trade at 36. But yeah, it would have been break even now. I also don't like that we're right at the first standard deviation VWAP band here, so it's just like it's a lot of possibility. Damn, would have been good, I think. If we close and then retest back up here, and then I'll have stops at the above. Let's see how this candle closes and then how the next one opens up. Damn. Yeah, this one would have hit. Oh man, that's unfortunate. That's tragic. I would need to retest all the way up to like here. Damn. Too skeptical for no reason. Yeah, this could run all the way down. It's knifing pretty fucking hard right now. Which is crazy because I feel like tech is up. Nah, Nvidia's getting shafted right now. Damn. No, it was a clean ass inversion. ES is coming into this level right here, so that's why we're seeing a reaction. But damn, it just looks like it just wants to go back down. That was instant 30 points. Jeez. Yeah, VWAP's pretty low. I mean, this candle's ugly. You can see, like, the 15-minute candle is... Oh my goodness. Oh, so it would have been a great entry. Damn. 97 total. Sheesh. 172. Did we hit? No, we did not hit 172. That's where my next level is at, but yeah, there was a decent amount of buyers sitting here on the heat map. Yeah, if y'all took that, that shit was quick and easy, 66.5. Sucks, dude. It sucks. It just missed one thing. It's just a little lick sweep. Unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. If we, I mean, we could go VWAP down at 140. I kind of want to just take this for the 30. But and then have stops above here. What would that be? 30-point stops. That's so unfortunate. I don't want to chase it, but I'm definitely feeling the FOMO right now. Damn, that sucks. Nothing hits like FOMO, dude. I'm not even like just saying that. Nothing hits like FOMO. But yeah, we're almost at the 15-minute orb, so we could just be patient through this. Oh, apparently Top Step's frozen again. I'm not even gonna. Apparently Top Step is frozen again from other sources. Would check their live stream if they really are. They would have muted chat. Oh, you gotta be kidding. There's no way. There's absolutely no way. Are they even live right now? No, they're not. Oh, yeah, they are. Fuck, dude. Some people say it works, some people say it's not. Your engineering team is special ed is crazy. Yo, that is crazy. Yeah, I'm not even gonna risk it. So, GG's. Let's go to my other one then. Shit. Unhide, and get rid of. And I'll just close out of this. Cause I'm not gonna mess around on a day where I don't need to be messing around, you know what I'm saying? Last thing I want to do is find out, these are evals, so I'm gonna be a little more over leveraged, a little more everything, a little more risky with my trades. It's usually how I go on evals. Dang, I'm still so pissed that I missed this, dude. Fuck. Alright, our 15-minute orb is set to right here at 172. I think if we break this, and break the level, hold below the level, we could just go for shoot for data lows, and that'll be like a good take profit for the day. Chat is losing their shit once again. Oh god, that's crazy. 3 days in a row. Yeah, the chat's going off right now. Yikes, bro. Yikes. No, that's what I'm saying. Like, the market's pumping right now. I'm not sure what's going down. Like, what is causing the market to move down 120 points? I don't know. It's not Nvidia. Google? Apple? This is actually kind of a good setup, I'm not gonna lie. Consolidating right here at the lows. If we break out, we're probably gonna break 25,172. And then if we do that, that'd be crazy. Like you'd get a quick sweep. I might front run this, but we'll see. We'll see, and then have stops above, which is at like 20-ish. Oh, maybe it's a fake out. Nah, definitely just waiting for the breakout is smarter. No need to front run. Oh, Top Step, what are you doing? Now I definitely wish I took that trade. Oh god. Rumor has it the bid is down again. Damn, that's a pretty big rejection candle. Fuck. Oh, if that was the shorts of the day, I would be so sad. Shoot. 81 down to here. 281 down almost 70, bro. I closed the stream. Oh my goodness. Top Step is too funny. I mean, I think that's just like a byproduct of like you getting rid of all of the other trading platforms and then, you know, going with one that's not working. Like that's just unfortunate. And now you kind of have to stick to your guns, right? Because you already got rid of everyone and nobody's gonna be like, oh yeah, come back to us. Okay, now this is actually looking good. No inversion. An inversion here would have been sick. Let me see ES real quick. I think ES did have an inversion, but we're also breaking back down below that level for ES. We're approaching the orb again. I might take this and then just aim for down here. Yeah. Holy crap, it's pushing a little too much right now. My stop's gonna be insane. Whatever. I'm in. I'm gonna lock this pretty quick. Okay. Okay. Just like that. Wait. Damn, my fills were horrendous. I think the only one that really got a good fill was this one at 183. But the reason I trail that, usually whenever I see a trade instantly jump 10 points, I trail my stop really quick. 167 down to 160, so I missed 7 points, which is fine. Top Step TV offline is crazy. Oh my god, that is just insane. I don't know how a platform goes down that much in that short of amount of time. But yeah, that's why I say like these trades move so quick for me that I get in and out. But it's also because like we swept this. If we closed below, that would have been great. But now I'm looking for a closure below. I do want to see this hit VWAP. I don't know if it will though. Subscriber only mode. Oh, there's no way. There's no way. Oh my goodness. World's greatest scalper? Nah, far, 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 far from it. Yeah, I guess if I 6779, like if I go here, you can see I got entered way down low. 6779 is this one. It's kind of unfortunate. Oh my god, dude. That's actually insane. That is actually insane. Oh my god, dude. I don't even want to try. I'm too scared. Yeah, I missed one. Um, Earlier I said I wanted to take this. It actually gave me two chances for an entry. I wanted to take this stops at 36, and then only reason I didn't take it was this resting liquidity up here. I really thought we were gonna smack it, but I didn't see that we had a pivot point right here. But the pivot point would have been a good one. Would have been a good one. Yeah. There's the reason why I trailed really fast there is this 172. Um, if this were to act like support, we could just wick right past it and come back up. So it's just like gotta be quick. That's pretty much how I trade. I trade so quick that it's kind of crazy sometimes. And then I just wait. We do have an inversion here, and we're also right at a level, but I don't want this to range. But this is also way huge stops. 36, this would be almost 60 points of stop. So yeah, there's no way. Damn, that's crazy. Alpine got smoked. Gotta get those write-offs before end of the year. Damn straight. Damn straight. Damn, this is tough. We bounced right at the 15 orb. Oh god. What's my P&L on the day? Not a lot, but mostly because I missed that entry. Damn it. Oh, I guess I can show you on here. No, my P&L is actually insane on the day if you account for these evals. I think this is like 128k on the Apex, and someone got up to 9k. Um, but they're all passed. And I'll have those by the end of the day, so that's cool. Yeah, I do have to go shopping later. So I can't be on for long. Once the malls and shits open up, I gotta dip. Probably around like 8. Nah, market's fucking moving. It's just this is fucking nasty, bro. Like it's really nasty. I'm not even gonna cap. You're getting clean moves though. I mean, that's the good part, right? Like if you shorted, you know, at the top or you short or belong near the bottom, like you got moves. But damn, it's hard to trade. Right back at the top VWAP band right here, also at a level. It could be a rejection zone, but I wouldn't take this. You know, I could be done for the day. I could be responsible and be done for the day. I could. But yeah, I'm already here, so I might as well just wait out like first hour and a half. 7:38 is usually my cutoff time anyways, and then I gotta go gym, and then I go do some shopping. It's looking really good for longs, I'm not even gonna lie. It's looking really good for longs. If we hold above this level, oh man. I would love an entry like right here. Sheesh. It's running. What the fuck? Huh? What the fuck was this? Oh, excuse me? Oh, what? Do we have any more news? What in the world? Oh, dang it, I guess I should have placed that order. It definitely would have got wicked in. What the helly? Damn. Yeah, it's the break above, and then the wick, and then we're also at a level. We held this level too. I guess I'm not locked in at all, but shizzle. Could we take this one and then go for highs? Go for the retest again? How much is my stops? 44. It's about 30. I actually like this. Oh man, that was a quick entry. And then watch just come right down. If I don't need the whole move, I just need a few points off of this. There we go. Is that my 150? I just need a 150 on the day on my take profit traders. It just, oh man, these wicks are fucking nasty, bro. And now everything is pretty much in sync, which it already was. Yeah, I would be targeting the highs, but I don't really need that many points. So here's the 150. Damn, it actually ripped. I mean, this was where I had the TP marked in at 95. Should have been 20. But I don't need that much. But yeah, that was quick. Yeah, I think we definitely sweep these highs, and then maybe we go for the resting liquidity up above, and then yeah. If we come back down, that's crazy. I'd definitely be break even at least here. Dang, it sucks my fill was up here. I think when I pressed enter, it was like, you know, I was like debating it as it was like right here, and then I went to go check the stop, and it just, or did it just come down more after the, probably the latter. But yeah, it's okay. It is very okay. Oof. So I can delete this. Another short right here. Got out of this one at 67. Did I really? Oh shit, my bad. And then I had the long. I wanted the little lower. Here would have been sick, but what is this? 73? Damn, another fail. And there she taps. EE. If it would have been. Two 7-3, 296, so that's 23. Unfortunate, but yeah, I just needed the 5 points there. No, I'm hungry as hell. Yeah, I think ever since missing that first trade was I got a little sour, but you know you won't always catch them, that's for sure. We're holding. Maybe it's the cold water making my stomach kind of hurt. I just realized that. Damn. If this is another range day, oh man. Data lows, data lows, data lows. Please, please, please. 1 second, I'm gonna get my... Consolidating. I mean, it's good. We're respecting this level, as you can see. But it's definitely looking weaker than I'd want it to. Holy shit. I mean, the thing that sucks with these big range days is like once it gets back down here, like, and if you're looking for a short, it's like, oh, this is the bottom of the open. Like, do I really want to short here? So that's where it kind of gets a little more difficult. But you can see even ES didn't reach the highest, so I think this is actually just true weakness. But I mean, the Mag 7 is holding. Microsoft is up, Google's up, Amazon's up. You can see it. Right, like everybody's up. Nvidia's the only one that's kind of moving down, and I mean the chart looks exactly the same. Right, this is the Nvidia chart, and this is the Nasdaq chart. Damn, would have been solid though. 52 to 25. It's a lot of chop. I mean, if this is a range play and you go down for the lows, like, it's not bad. Oh, if this said wicked higher, I would have taken it. If it had wicked me up here. Damn. The absolute opposite of locked in is crazy. No, I'm on 0 caffeine right now. It's kind of sad. Sheesh. Damn, it's just melting. I know if there was an inversion at the top, it would have been sick, but there wasn't, so kind of makes it a little harder. A little harder. Oh, you're right. Thank you. A lot of orders at VWAP. I'm low-key scared to trade Top Step, but I kind of want to trade it. But I feel like I missed the move at this point, you know? You know? I mean, VWAP would be pretty much right where this wick is, but damn, to take a short here, it seems kind of scary. No green candle, no pullback, no anything. It's just knifing. Here we are right back to that level. Dude, this would be an insane entry for a continuation knife lower. That's just is wild. Oh my god. And the thing is, I know it can just knife the fuck down there, which is like the saddest part. Is I absolutely know that. Oh, man, sucks. Actually sucks. But now we're bouncing right at that same level again. It wants to hold. I mean, it's basically the top of the actual CPI candle. And that's why we don't short. Always gotta wait for that pullback. But yeah, if this is just a big range and it goes all the way back up, that'd be a little crazy. But now, like, say if this breaks, this is a little different, right? We had buyers come in and then sellers immediately pushed back down. That's a different trade. Yes, kind of in the similar boat. Structured selling. This looks good, I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Really tight stops. Coming down for here. Yeah, I mean, waiting for the break would have been probably smarter too, but I don't know. I don't know why I want to take this. Something told me to take it, and it is like it's part of it. We're breaking back down below, so if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Is whatever. Oh. We right at the VWAP? Yeah, we are. Thing is, like, if I do it at the top of here, it's a lot more risk. ES is consolidating here too, which makes it really hard. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out of this one. If it wanted to break, it probably would have broken by now. I'm gonna let this go. Yeah, I'm gonna take the break even on that. Just I don't want to see it continue to just hover this level, and I'm gonna call it there. That was a little much. Yeah, P&L is like roughly the same. I think a little worse fills on some accounts, which is fine, but yeah, first New York stream in the bag. I mainly just wanted to trade my Apex evals on CPI today. I probably should have streamed that. That would have been more entertaining, I feel like. But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming. I'll see you next time. Peace.